Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do the Kamalio trick, and it looks like this. Right, so as you can see it's a pretty impressive trick and I've had quite a few requests for it, so I thought I'd do a tutorial for it. Okay, step 1. The setup is really important for the trick, so this is step 1, all about the setup. You want to touch the ball with your weak foot, put a little bit of spin on it, bring your foot slightly forward so the ball comes to the right side of you. I'm left footed, so I'll be turning to the left. So if you're right footed, you'll be turning to the right. So yeah, you want to touch it with your weak foot so the ball comes to the side, and you're going to bring your foot just slightly out of the way. So that's step 1. With the setup, you're going to keep the ball really low. You don't want it too high up in the air, you want to keep it low. Step 2, you're going to turn to the side and you're going to swivel like this, a whole 90 degrees, like that. Now we're on to step 3. You'll be turned to the side like this. The ball is going to be slightly behind you at this point. Step 3 is bringing your foot back, and you're going to basically pull the trigger, so to speak. So you're going to set your strong foot, you're going to bring it back, and you're going to scoop the ball up. Now the steps, they're just, you know, like a rough guideline. You just want to, so you can get used to the trick, you're going to break it down. You're actually going to end up doing all 3 steps pretty much at once. When you set the trick up, the ball's going to be low to the ground. It's going to touch the ground near instantly. So you have to turn and do the whole trick quick. You have to turn, bring your foot back, boom, quick. That's what gives it like the illusion, like that it looks really cool, that you're doing it, boom, really quick. You don't know like what's going to happen. Remember the first time I saw the trick, I was like, whoa, like where did that come from? So yeah, that's why it's a really cool trick. You have to do it really fast. A really important tip is to make sure that once you've turned and your foot is coming back, make sure your toes are curled up. So when you turn and you bring your foot back in to scoop the ball, when you connect with the ball, when your foot comes in to grab the ball, you want your toes to scoop underneath the ball to sort of give it like a footstool. That's what's going to make the ball go up. If your toes are like flat out and your foot isn't placed properly, the ball is just going to go flying over there, and you'll experience that a lot when learning it. So yeah, that's where you need to bring the ball up into the air. You're going to want to lean back slightly as well. Once the ball is connected with your foot and you feel you can, you've got it in the place where you want it, maybe try and like lean back slightly, bring your foot right up, try and bring it up, because if you don't do that, it's just going to roll off. Okay, so that's it. I tried to explain it the best I can, but it is a very simple trick, but very complicated to explain, if you know what I mean. One thing I would say is don't rush it. Don't, grab the ball, kick it up, turn around. I've seen people like try and do it and they're like spinning around, trying 360 around the world, and it's like, no, just break it down, and it is simple. It's very hard to pull off, but in theory it's a very simple trick and a very effective trick. So yeah, make sure you take your time with it, and once you get it, it is a lot of fun. So yeah, please subscribe for more tutorials. Close to 5,000 subscribers now, which is unbelievable. Yeah, plenty more videos over the summer. Peace.